Hello everyone on my channel silvercoins stacker, and on today's video we're gonna be unboxing a few parcels which was my recent purchase. The first one is gonna be from Martin, silver trader. It wasn't nothing huge, as far as I remember. It's just a one coin to continue to my collection. Yeah, it's from Martin. Yeah, like I mentioned, it's just a one, so it's nothing really huge. But I got quite specific plans regardless this collection. Leonidas. I really like the series. The plan for them ones is to put them on the antique. I got one company, they specialize with stuff like that, or do it different way and just put it some gold 24 carats yielding on some bits on the coin, which make the collection and the coin just like stand up. We see, not the size yet. Definitely it's gonna be something, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be the first one or the second one. Let me move forwards. The second one, I believe, it's another coin from the series, which I decided to carry on. Yeah, it is. From the thickness, we can clearly say it's 2-ounce coin. Yeah, it is some markings through the head. So that's the second one. If you're watching my videos, you know what to expect. It's definitely gonna be a few shining bits. I don't buy as much silver at this stage. Try to mainly focus on the gold. Believe gold will bring slightly more profit. That's the invoice. Atkinson's. Let me figure out the way to go into it. And here it is. It's the new design from Royal Mint with the Britannia bar. It's 1 gram Britannia bar, but they put it the new design and few safety features. Many people ask me, why do I go with 1 gram bars? I believe them tiny bits are the future. If you think about it, not many people on the recent day can afford it to go into the gold. The rule always says better to get some gold than no gold. So in next couple years, the people will be more into them than into big chunky 1 ounce or 100 grams gold bars. Like definitely good choice to have them on the stack. Okay, now it's time for the next one. Let me clean it just a bit on the desk. The next one, what invoice? It is invoice. So that, guys, is from the Royal Mint. Oh, okay. And that's something better than the tiny bit. Ready? 3, 2, 1. My favorite one, 1/4 of the ounce. Let me try to focus a little bit. You know what? We're gonna do it different way. Just want to show you how beautiful the coin it is. So yeah, like I mentioned, George and the Dragon 2025, 1/4 of the ounce. And the last one for today's video is gonna be okay. So another envelope inside. There's some invoice as well. The Royal Mint. Yeah. And it's gonna be another bar. So it's not huge unboxing, but I try every single month put it some founds, especially into gold. Oh, no, I'm not gonna squeeze all of them. But I'm definitely more into the yellow than the silver. The beginning when I started stacking was slightly different, but now when we see what's going on and everything, I believe that's my way. I will try to definitely stick with my plans, just stacking more and share everything with you guys on my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully guys, you got a nice day. See you soon.